Security audit of tourist locations will be conducted. District level officers, we are told, will carry out these security audits. LG Manoj Sinha has also chaired a high-level meeting, a security meeting in Jammu and Kashmir. In fact, he has held that in Srinagar, and security is to be beefed up in non-motorable areas as well. Remember, one of the lacunas that was found as far as the Baisaran Valley is concerned is that despite being a very popular tourist spot, there wasn't much security presence there. Possibly it was, it was done or not done because there was an element or an atmosphere of normalcy. Several tourists have been visiting Jammu and Kashmir for a couple of years now, and therefore possibly this, the perception wasn't correct as far as the terrorist attacks are concerned. So another reason why this area could have been chosen is because it's actually not motorable. That makes it harder for even security forces to reach there on time, and it did take them time initially when the attack was first reported. My colleague Arunima is actually tracking more on this. Arunima, you were bringing us how there will be a security audit of all locations, including, I'm guessing, particularly tourist locations and non-motorable areas of the valley.
Yes, and I want to show you what these non-motorable areas look like. This is Pahalgam. This is the route towards Baisaran that was taken by the tourists that particular day. They took this route. You can't take any vehicle on this road. It is a horse track totally, and it is very kacha. So this kind of a road makes it very difficult for the rescue party also to go up. Even ATVs that day did not succeed, because when you step in here, it is tough to find your footing also, because the horses are also constantly moving. Some horses are still tied here on this road. There are no tourists to seek a horse ride from here, so they are still waiting here. There is a CRPF post right at the entrance of this road towards Baisaran, but that's about it. When the shots rang out on top of that hill, that's the side where Baisaran is. When shots rang out, the first responders were the pony operators. I'll try and get you some voices from the pony operators to figure out what was their reaction when they heard. One group is here with me. Let me say, sir, आप एक मिनट आएंगे यहाँ? एक मिनट. आइए. आप बता रहे थे कि उस दिन 2:20 के करीब आपके पास आपके घोड़े वाले का फोन आया कि ऊपर गोलियां चल गई हैं.
जी मैम.
क्या हुआ था बताइए.
उसने मुझे कॉल करके हड़बड़ी में बोला कि सर यहाँ पे गोलियां चल रही हैं. मैंने कहा कैसे? उसने बोला हमें भी समझ नहीं आ रहा है, चारों तरफ गोलियां चल रही है. मैंने उसको बोला कि घोड़े छोड़ दो, टूरिस्टों को जल्दी से वहाँ निकाल के वहाँ से निकल जाओ जल्दी. जी.
And these are horseback operators. These are local Kashmiris. Some of them have been telling me that particular day on this track, they made at least 5 to 7 trips. This journey usually takes an hour. They completed it in 20 minutes flat, and one of them is very upset that a man he tried to bring on his own back, bare back. His video has gone viral. Sartaj is seen carrying a man on his back, brought him to the Pahalgam hospital, but he bled to death. He couldn't be saved. So that is the topography, that is the area that we are talking about here, and that is why that security audit is so important, which the government is now stressing on.
Absolutely. Arunima, stay with me. I'm going to come back to you. Ishan Vani is also joining us. Ishan, it's not just, of course, about areas like Baisaran Valley or other motorable areas where there could be high tourist traffic. In any case, the tourist situation is going to halt for a while. But what are the other measures that the forces and the security apparatus is taking to make sure that whatever are the infiltrated terrorists can be nabbed as well? Because that's the biggest worry. Infiltration keeps happening even if it has reduced, and there are several terrorists that are believed to be hiding in Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, there are big challenges in front of security forces, and those big challenges include, first, to stop infiltration, to ensure that infiltrations do not take place. And that's why last time you also had Union Home Minister visiting parts of Jammu where it's heavily guarded by the BSF. And those areas which have been vulnerable, or those areas where they have tried to infiltrate using tunnels, because BSF mans a lot of area of the IB and parts of Jammu, and that's where their role gets very crucial. In Kashmir, you have rough terrain, you have difficult terrain to infiltrate, and whenever infiltration takes place, there are thermal imaging cameras, there is multiple layering system, or what is called as OBIS, which is a multiple layering system of keeping in check the infiltration attempts. But it is the reality that infiltrations have taken place, and that's why the number of foreigners are more than the number of local militants in Kashmir Valley, and that is what is worrying for the security establishment, because they have been saying that after the abrogation of Article 370, for the situation that they have been able to bring control, one of them is the success of bringing down the graph of violence and not letting local recruitment have to take place. And that's a self-example that there are infiltrations taking place, and the push is to send maximum number of them to Kashmir Valley. And this is the time when snow starts melting and summer starts to pick up, traditional infiltration routes open up, and they will try to maximize infiltration attempts in Kashmir. But the forces will be on a vigilant mode. There is a high alert in Jammu and Kashmir to ensure that everyone's safety is kept paramount. But this is something which we believe that will not be repeated, and something where the security forces will have to learn a lesson and make sure that the audit that is going to be done in all of these locations, including the high altitude places where people go for picnic or tourists go there, that there needs to be an increase in the presence of security forces, and whenever there's a vulnerability, that needs to be, loopholes need to be picked.
Well,
Yeah, nothing. Yeah, my face only became red.
I know, I saw in your.
I'm feeling very sad now. For 2 days, I will have to just be quiet, girl.
Yeah, you were so careful. How come you put this kapra, napkin and scarves and all these things should be there in your purse, no?
हाँ मम्मा, so it was a गलती. वो जो स्कार्फ था वो मेरे को मिला, तो मुझे लगा मैं बाय रोड जा रही हूँ, तो मेरा मास्क सूटकेस में था, तो उसको मैं अपने मुंह पे रख दूँ तो वो गंदा होगा. And technically I was too shocked with everything that was happening, you know. Yesterday was a very funny day, but my body was not able to take a lot of things, you know. Because देखो मम्मा, अटैक चाहे कहीं भी हो,
वो पता है
आपको मेरा नेचर पता है ना, तो मैं बहुत perturbed चल रही थी. ऊपर से I was trying to divert my mind, not read the news, रेंज नहीं आ रही, तो अपने दिमाग के भी थॉट्स होते हैं ना, तो अपना भी स्ट्रेस चल रहा होता है ना, क्या हो रहा है, हाउ द फक कैन इट हैपन, यू नो, सर्टेन थिंग्स. बट अभी तुम पढ़ रहे हो, जितना सुन रहे हो, समझ पड़ रहा है कि वो टेरेन ही अलग था. जैसे हम लोग वो आबू गए थे, अब आबू में तुम चढ़ रहे हो ट्रैकिंग में, कोई गन शॉट लेके कर ले, मारना चालू
कुछ नहीं कर सकते,
कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना. कहाँ से पुलिस सिक्योरिटी आएगी, कहाँ से एम्बुलेंस आएगी, सब वीडियो ही बनाएंगे और क्या करेंगे.
बस वीडियो ही बना देंगे और पब्लिक को दिखा देंगे.
हाँ बस, और उससे क्या होगा, उन्होंने वीडियो बना दिया कि भैया देखो हम हेल्प कर रहे हैं, मगर बॉटम लाइन क्या है, जिसको लग गई वो लग गई ना, वो तो खत्म हो गया.
हाँ, जो लग गई इनोसेंट लोग लग गई
हाँ, तो इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी जो भी है सब खत्म करो बाबा. अगर इनको हमारे हिसाब से चलना है तो ठीक है, अदरवाइज रात गई बात गई. इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी साइन करी थी, थिंग्स चेंज, टाइम चेंज, फक इट. पाकिस्तान हैज टू वर्क एज पर इंडियाज रूल्स. हम हमारा पानी उसको क्यों दे रहे हैं भैया? व्हाई द फक डू वी हैव टू बी सो नाइस टू पीपल? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? उनके लोगों को फिर बैठ के हमारे साथ बॉन्डिंग करनी चाहिए और हमारे को साथ जुड़ जाओ. मुझे नहीं पता अभी क्या होने वाला है, आई हैव नो आइडिया, आई एम नॉट अ पॉलिटिशियन, बट मैं तो सारी न्यूज़ पढ़ रही थी. फिर वो फ्लाइट कट, ये सब, फिर वो एयरपोर्ट, मतलब इतना लंबा जर्नी था ना मम्मा ये कॉलेज के लिए. पर चलो ठीक है, कुछ मूवमेंट करने के लिए कर लिया.
मूवमेंट अच्छा करना ही पड़े ना बेटा लाइफ में.
मूवमेंट करने के लिए कर दिया, बट इट इज़ टू हेक्टिक. हाँ मम्मा, क्योंकि यहाँ से तुम अमृतसर जाओ, अमृतसर से तुम यहाँ से तुम चंडीगढ़ जाओ, चंडीगढ़ से तुम अमृतसर जाओ, मतलब इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, यू नो. मतलब हमको एटलीस्ट 5 स्टार होटल में रखा था, बाकी लोग तो आई थिंक 4 स्टार में रहते थे, पता नहीं क्या करते थे. मतलब बॉडी नीड्स rest also, no mama, you can't be on the road continuously, you will lose your sanity only about understanding what is right and wrong, because दिमाग ही इतना घूम रहा है गर्मी में. तो
head and always remember head and face should be covered by some another method जिससे protection रहे, and उसके भी 3-4 एक्स्ट्रा रखोने चाहिए whenever you travel.
हाँ, और हेड और फेस का अलग ही स्कार्फ्स होने चाहिए which is sanitized and in a plastic and to be removed.
मैंने देखे ऑनलाइन में भी ऐसे वाले मिलते हैं। एक मैंने मंगाया, लेकिन वो एक देखो दिखाया था ना, वो बुरखा लुक ही दे रहा था, लेकिन वो कपड़ा बहुत एक्स्ट्रा गिर रहा था। एक्स्ट्रा इतना कपड़ा नहीं चाहिए, खाली फेस और हेड को कवर करना चाहिए बस।
नहीं आपने तो जो दिया वो बुरखा वाला टाइप है, वो थोड़ा पैंट
वो वापस कर दिया हमने वापस कर दिया। वो ऑनलाइन ही लोगों ने मंगाया था। तो ऐसे 3-4 खाली फेस को कवर करे और हेड को कवर करे तो प्रोटेक्टेड रहे ऐसा।
बाकी सब शांति।
हाँ बाकी साथ।
So Amazon has I don't know what kind of scarves. ये तो एकदम बुरखा स्टाइल है, बट अगर ये इजी है तो इसको पहन सकते हैं आइडेंटिटी हाइड करने के लिए एंड फेस और स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. लेट मी सी विच वन आई वांट टू चूज.